All right, our next type of trust is a lifetime asset protection trust. This type of trust is take the general needs trust that we just discussed and add on to it a protection from divorce, creditors, insurance claims, bankruptcy, remarriage protections for certain purposes. This is a trust that we can really draft the way you want it to be. If you want it to be maximum flexibility, you just want to make sure that there's not in creditors or insurance claims that could come and take that asset or that money from your child, then we can draft it that way. If you want it to be for certain purposes, for education, for purchase of a primary residence, then we can draft it that way. So there are varying fees depending on the amount of hand drafting that you would like. This starts at $1,200 for a trust that is maximum protection and minimal flexibility, and without the many special types of hand drafting. So that is an option for you. Building on your lifetime asset protection trust is something called a financial skills trust. So until they develop financial skills, the trustee has discretion to not make distributions or not to give the beneficiary full access to their trust. So this is trustee discretion. It's protected from divorce and creditors, insurance claims, bankruptcy, can have remarriage protections as well. But these are the 10 principles or skills that are incorporated into the drafting of the trust that you can choose from. Many of my clients just choose all of them because they are suggestive, they are not mandatory. They are intended to be a guideline for the trustee to support the beneficiary in developing these skills before they receive their inheritance. There's lots and lots of creative drafting we can do here. We can accelerate distributions, mandatory distributions, if they show these financial skills. Or we can have it be like, no, you've got to have them or else you're not getting it. This is too important. So there's lots of nuance that we need to discuss. And so that, of course, means that we charge $1,800 for a financial skills trust. Usually takes an extra design meeting. It also takes more time during our document review to cover the different nuances that we need to clarify with you so that you feel comfortable with this. I only recommend this type of trust for clients who are willing to have this outline or these skills be part of your relationship with your children today. So this should not be something that comes out of the blue and just appears in their laps when they're in their mid-20s living in your basement playing video games. And then all of a sudden they're expected to have financial skills before they get the inheritance from their mom and dad that they were expecting outright. This is something that you want to set up. If you do set up, you want to set it up as a conversation and a way of engaging with each other around money now, and so that your trustee isn't, blindsided with, a beneficiary that's really mad. So that is the maximum protection, maximum flexibility financial skills trust. That's unique to Angel Advocates. And I share with other attorneys as they request for me to co-counsel with them.